Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to view deleted messages on WhatsApp. First, take your phone and unlock it. Go to the home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and look for Notifications. Tap on it. Now, find an option called Notification History. This option is available on many Android phones. Turn it on if it is not already enabled. Once it is enabled, you can return here at any time. Now, when someone sends you a WhatsApp message and then deletes it, the message may still appear in your notification history. Open Notification History and scroll through the list. Look for WhatsApp notifications. If the deleted message was received while notifications were on, you can read the message text here. This only works if the message arrived before it was deleted and your phone saved the notification. Next, I will show you how to see deleted messages using a WhatsApp chat backup. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Tap Chats, then tap Chat Backup. Here you can see when your last backup was made. This method only works if you have a backup saved from before the messages were deleted. If you do have a backup, you can restore it. First, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. After that, install WhatsApp again from the Play Store. Open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. When WhatsApp asks if you want to restore your chats from backup, tap Restore. Wait for the restore process to finish. Once it is done, open your chats. Messages that were deleted after the backup date may now appear again. Thanks for watching.